Blue's Clues, Blue's best rainy day. Hi, it's me, Steve. Today is a very exciting day. Blue has invited her friends from school over for a play date. There's only one problem. It's raining outside. But Blue has thought of something that she and her friends can do inside the house. It's a scavenger hunt, and I get to play too. Cool! We need to try and find everything that's on this list around the house. Then once we've found everything, we will... what will we do? I wonder what surprise Blue has planned. I guess we'd better start looking for the things on our list. That sure is a long list. I hope we can find everything. What is the first thing we need to find? Oh yeah, socks. I wonder which room we should go to find socks. Do you know? Wow, there sure are a lot of socks to choose from in the bedroom. We need to find 4 socks, 3 pink ones and 1 purple one. Can you see them? I'll help you count. 1, 2, 3, 4. That wasn't so hard. Where should we go now? You're right, the mudroom. Look at all of these boxes. There's got to be one that's empty. Can you tell which one is empty? You know, I must admit, I sure do like this scavenger hunt game. But I wonder what Blue has planned that we can do with the socks and a box. Our list has brought us to one of my favorite rooms in the house, the kitchen. I remember seeing a jar of buttons in here the other day, but there are so many jars. Which is the one that we need? Hey, look at that! We found 3 items on our list already. We only have to find 3 more, and then we'll find out what Blue has in store for us. Onward to the bathroom. Hi, Slippery. How are you? There are so many pieces of fabric in here. Let's take the one that looks like the one on our list. Look, it's made up of our favorite colors. Can you find the fabric? Scavenger hunts are so cool. Quick, let's find our last 2 items so we can figure out Blue's big surprise. Look, it's the art table, and I think we're in luck. Look at all of these art supplies. All we need is a bottle of glue and a ball of yarn, and we're done with our scavenger hunt. Can you help us find what we need? It looks like we found everything. Great job, everyone. So let's see. We found socks, an empty box, some buttons, fabric, glue, and yarn. I wonder what we can do with all of these things together. Do you know? What's that? You think Blue planned the whole scavenger hunt so we can all put on a sock puppet play? What a great idea! Look at that! Blue and Magenta are putting the stage together for the play. They can use the empty box we found in the mudroom for the stage, and the fabric we found in the bathroom for the curtains. Purple Kangaroo, Green Puppy, Yellow Kitten, and Orange Kitten have figured out how to make the sock puppets. I get it now. The buttons make the eyes and the noses on the puppets, and the yarn makes the hair. Then the glue holds everything together. So now we've got a stage, curtains, and our puppets. But wait! Something's still missing. That's right, a story. I wonder which story we should use for our play. Oh, good choice, Blue. Blue wants to use the 3 little pigs because there are 3 pigs and 1 wolf, and we've got 4 sock puppets. Perfect. What a great play. A great play for a great rainy day. Thanks for all your help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram. See you next time.